Beautifully situated at the back of St. Vincent Ferrer Church, there are 4 simple statues depicting the 4 ecclesiastical arts: painting, stained glass, music, and liturgy. Each of these arts are cultivated in this church. Our striking stained glass windows, especially those by Charles Connick, illuminate both the church and our minds. Our paintings, especially the Stations of Cross, which reveal a variety of artistic styles throughout history, lead us to a contemplative gaze upon our Lord and His friends, the saints. Our liturgies are celebrated reverently, with particularly Dominican aspects intentionally woven in, even in subtle ways. In a special way, music has such a rich history in the parish. From the renowned boy choirs that sang throughout the city for many years, to the visiting choirs who have offered their gifts to support our prayer, to our current professional choir who sings throughout the year at each and every solemn Mass and major liturgy. We have been and still are graced by the patrimony of liturgical music that has been handed down through the centuries and washes over us as it leads us into a deeper contemplation of God. Among the many musical gifts that we have here are our 2 organs. The Schantz Organ Company of Ohio, the oldest organ building firm in the United States, installed our 68-rank organ in the gallery, which flanks our remarkable rose window, and the additional 18-rank organ in the chancel. These organs, comprising approximately 4,800 pipes, can both be played from the same console. This allows for a great breadth to our sacred music program. Organs, though, are more than just a set of pipes or a grand instrument. Rather, they are like musicians. Through the multiplicity of pipes that can sing in a variety of ways and the many voices that we hear, organs speak and sing in a totally unique way. Their sounds can support the congregation. Their timbre can shake the heart to contrition. Their pitches can guide the mind into a contemplative gaze. Ultimately, their soundings call out to God, putting forth glorious music that can speak in ways that our hearts can't always articulate. Organs are built to last for generations, but the organs at St. Vincent Ferrer are approaching the time for some major work. Thousands of leather pouches that regulate the organ's wind system are reaching the end of their life, and various electronic components have become outdated and can no longer be updated. The organ has also been subjected to significant water damage several times since its installation, which has damaged vital parts and has left the interior full of grit, which also diminishes its musical impact and reduces reliability. If these aren't restored and replaced, then the organ risks becoming unreliable, falling silent, or becoming like a shrill and blaring sound cutting through the air rather than a voice that points beyond itself to a transcendent beauty. Our Light from Light campaign is meant to offer a breath of fresh air to the organs so that they can come alive in a new way. Your support will truly help this church continue to be God's instrument of grace.